Everyone, welcome for today's conversation. In today's conversation, we are talking about don't fool make yourself. And first of all, coming to that point, we have to know and identify about ourselves that how to making ourselves to be fool. For example, not to saying the example, but a simple definition from yourself that any of the work that you wanted to do, any of the job, any of the study, any of a criteria that you have to thought it in your brain, you can't implement from your side. So that why you making yourself fool and why you are wasting your time, because time is a money. For example, if you find it about the time, let's suppose a person who was earning money, he has a lots of pressure to do the job, because the time that he gave it to him to the service that they paid from themselves from this side. So that how it could be so much important to be the part of life, to be how to earn money from any of the place. So that don't becoming to be the fool yourself, and how it could be so much important to in your life. Let's suppose that a student who wants to study more hard and more effectively, but he cannot started, he fooled himself to start that I will start into from Monday, I will start into from the first first date of the month, and blah blah blah, lots of and leave the study into the festivals, leave the study into the birthdays, going to the birthday parties, going to the celebrating the parties, and lots of etc, doing all of the activities, but the study was also to be very much minimizing, and the time has to be stick toward it, and losing it again and again, and टाल देते उसको, ignore them as a lots of time to study it hard and study you can as you can into the future generation. So that how it could be so much important for your life, that because if you wanted to study hard, you have to focusing upon yourself, that not to study hard becoming to be the implementation from your life, from your side. For example, if you wanted to study or achieving the good marks to proud your parents, proud yourself, to becoming to be the proudest person, to be the study more effectively into in presence of yourself. So that always you have to need to find out about yourself, that you must need to implement for yourself, because every person, average student, you always ask them, did you like to study, they will always say that we like to study more effectively, more hard, but we can't study accordingly. The single reason that they cannot make a habit from themselves. So that how it could be so much dangerous to themselves. And it could be also say that by doing this thing, this such a implementing thing, we have to be courage ourselves, that implementation was not to say that where and when. First of all, we have to find out that when let's suppose that every student that we that around us never study more than 2 hours, or if no person can study more than 24, no person can study 24 hours. So that every person have to be need, or every student have to be need a specific time that he can, the brain performs very well, and the brain need to work lots of ideas coming, the knowledge and the ideas implement into the brain was very quickly. So that find the time, find the location where you need to study. For example, I record the video in my garden, because because there was having no people around us, and the place where I can speak confidently, fluently, because no person was in front of me, and there was a location, and the timing was at the evening. Whenever I get the time into the evening, I just record the videos for the long conversation, for doing the more activities that I needed, because because in 24 hours we have the lots of time, but we are wasting the time and spending lots of time by doing the unusual activities, so that our time was get wasted from ourselves. So that how it could be affected from our daily life. So becoming to be the self improvement or self growing people with yourself, always to have a better choice to your toward yourself. So that finding the niche and finding the timing and finding the location where you have to study. Let's suppose that coming to my study routine or study time, I always study into the morning at a 9 o'clock, because in this time I will just to bath myself, eat the food, and doing the all activity that into the morning, and after the time I was free to move and free to do my all activity. so that this time I will perform my learning skills that I have to learn and doing my activities, so that after 9 to 10 I will do this skill, and after 10 to 11 I revise the such thing that I can, sometime it could, the time will be also increase, because I will go through the time. And after 11 o'clock I go for a bath, because at the huge temperature I will take a bath for a maximum to 3 times, because and after taking the bath I will start studying again. And after taking the bath, and after taking and after the time was to be 12 o'clock or 12:30 o'clock, after that I will take my food and take my lunch. After the time I will finding the topic and research the topic, what topic that I have to talk about the into the videos, and what topic that I have to discuss in front of the camera. So that how it could be so much important that the find out the time and find out the location when or where to do the activity to change your habit for your consistency. So that I make the habit that I have to regularly, and I found out myself that I always confidently find myself that I always try to take a decision, that I always into taking my blog with myself, that I blogging myself, because how I can blog myself as a conversation people. For example, that any people who was in front of us no can hear out about ourselves, that what can I will say, what I can express with my words, nothing to be matter. The vlog is in case of that how I can express my word as a every day, because let's coming to the our 30 videos, we can completed our 30 videos as doing the best every day, improving 1% by doing the English conversation. So that after taking a 30-day challenge I will complete it. So that for getting a habit to be into the life of, for the part of your life, you need to continue your habit up to 66 days. Whenever you repeat your habit up to 66 days, you will find out about yourself that it is a part of your life, and you will never tried or never lose it before you can and never you can lose it, or never a time that you have to find and ever any time, then it could be very much easier to get it. For example, in today's video I have recorded the lots of time and lots of conversation, but I have no need to find say watch the time, because there was having nothing to be worry about it, because I have the something topic that I have in my mind to speak fluently and confidently. So that first of all is bring to make the confidence. Let's coming to the more example, that whenever we have to focusing upon ourselves, we have to find out the niche that we wanted to do it. For example, let's suppose that a cricketer who wants to play the cricket, that he has to need a specific time into around us, so that he wanted to play. For example, every sports for asking them the for sport person, they was always belonging to the morning person. They always do the exercises, do every of the cardio, every of the playing games always doing into the morning, because there was a scheduled time that the morning time was so much cool, and the climate was also not to be very much hot, so that the energy level was so much high. So that it was to be very much important to be to do the exercises, do the playing the games into the morning, so that you as according to your study, it was also important for your life that you have to be find out the time that you wanted to study for yourself. And also the matters the location. For example, let's suppose you wanted to study, you go for the kitchen and you study. Your mother will be taking a stick and taking a jhadu and leave yourself from this place. So that how it could be so much important that finding the location, that no distraction that could be placed with yourself. For example, whenever I record my video in front of the wall, in front of the any of the greeneries, I will just find out myself that there was having no distraction, because there was having green leaves, green plants. I will always find out that the cool and the calm place, because I feel myself to be very much self improvement, self growing, and learn something that how to give the water to the plant, to giving the water, to learn something from this place. But after scrolling the social media, you cannot learn anything, but the just thing is that you have to spending your time and money to wasting your time and become a negative person. So that I always wanted to becoming to be the positive person, so that becoming to be the positive attitude and having a positive attitude, always find out a niche and always doing the positive approach work. So that how it could be so much important, and positive approach also to be very much important. Just to start your job, just to start implementing, first of all, not to thought in your brain that I will do this thing, I will do this thing, and this thing, blah blah blah. And after a lot of time you will know time, and know after the time you can waste it, and not doing the such a thing. So that you have to find out the thing that what do you need to do. And first of all you have to be identify yourself that what type of job and what type of work that I need to do. First of all, that you have to find out. And always set up, always whenever you wanted to set up your goals, you have to stick from a small goals. For example, let's suppose I need to read a book. I will just to set up in my mindset that I will just to read the book only for 5 minutes. But the attention, but the habit was to currently, whenever I goes to the fluent into this, I goes for my habit to just to record the video for 5 minutes for every day doing for more than a 1 week. I will do or record the videos. After the time I will get it from myself that by continuing to work, continuing from 5 minutes of video recording, I will find myself that I will record the videos for more than 30 minutes, 1 hour, and lots of time to be increases the video duration. So that how it could be important to first of all ensure about self that just to enroll yourself to be doing the performing the skills or performing the making your best habits. So that first of all find your niche, find your habit, and continue toward your habit. And so how it could be so much important to be grow your habit or becoming to be the good habit. Always try to get a habit from yourself that taking a good habit was not to be sure, and taking a bad habit not to be very much easy to be leave it. For example, if you don't like the bad habit, this way you know that you know that scrolling phone was a bad habit, sleeping at a late night was a bad habit, you know that. But if you cannot leave it, you don't leave it as usual, because the bad habit that you can pursue, that enjoys your body, that enjoys your brain. So that this was very much taking problem to your brain, that you can leave it from very quickly. But if you try to leave it, you will just find out yourself that you will leave it from a not more than 2 minutes or 3 minutes, but after a day you will continue toward your bad habits again. So that how it could be so much important from yourself that just to find out about yourself that what type of people or what type of person you wanted to become, and how to create it as a creative, or changing your habit to be a type of skill that you have to be learned for how to create the or how to change your habit as according to it. Or let's coming to the tomorrow's point, that for Hindi conversation I have made it a long conversation that I have continued toward myself, that how I can speak myself about myself, that I can do that I can prefer from myself. I have always try to continue toward it. I always try do the exercises, uploading the videos, and lots of consistency video topic that I have to discuss from myself. So that how it could be so much important toward ourselves, that to do the implementation, to not to focusing upon the YouTube career, because the YouTube was not to be so much confidence. So that I always say that I make this channel just for making the videos for 30 days. But coming to the point that I wanted to continue the videos, continue toward my channel for more than every days, because this was a make myself to be blogging, because I record every day that what can I will do, what can I will say, what can I publish toward myself for the public. So that how it could like to be very much fluentive and very much cool to be myself. So that always to set up ourselves, that find out the time, find out the niche that you wanted to do, and find out over your self that not to doing the bad work, or not to wasting time. Because if whenever your friend was asking for yourself that take a meetup and go for a walk on the ground, go for parties and doing blah blah things, so that just you have to say that nothing, I have something work, some very much important, so that I will leave it and go out from yourself, go out from themselves, so that your habit cannot disturb. Always make up that discipline also so much important. First of all making your habit, but the you have don't discipline yourself, you have no discipline toward yourself, then you can find out that you have nothing to doing in your life, and just to making waste of yourself and making the wasting of your time. So always make a discipline. For example, you wanted to study, so that if you have made it that I always study for 2 hours in every day, so that you have to be find out about yourself that I will disciplined toward myself and study for 2 hours with not too distracted from any of the obstacles that I have to refer from any of the places. I not to go for social media platform. I was no go for any person who was asking for me for a ride, for a party, for any of the time, any of the thing. So to always find that, make a list of yourself that I always try to do my skills, sorry, try to make a discipline for myself, for because at the end of the day you need to earn money, and the discipline always find out that what type of people you are and what type of behavior that you have to expressing yourself, so that how it could be so much important. Change your habit as according to you need to, and what type of people that you wanted to becoming to be the best of your life. So that every person that we have to be seeing that everyone has the something better in front of them, such as for example that everyone or every person who was in front of us always say that we wanted to the type of people just like Justin Bieber, just like Shahrukh Khan, every because we are just to take a inspiration from them and copying themselves from like a inspiration and motivating from themselves that what type of people that we wanted to becoming. So that always set up the goal, and because also to be said that for making a good habit you have to focusing upon yourself that how you could set up your goals. Let's suppose an example that you have a goal to climb a mountain. Okay, climb a mountain, you have to goal for studying more than 10 hour. You have set a goal and time, and you measure that if you whenever you the productivity get increases because of the uh, same reason is to work within yourself with a more effective time. So how it could be so much important with ourselves. And for today's video I will not make the video for long hour, because of the I have to go for a teaching student for my students. And I will assuming that tomorrow's videos was how to speak about yourself, how tell me about yourself. This was the tomorrow's topic that will helping people to introduce yourself, introducing ourselves to that how people can assuming themselves that how creative they are and how they are not creative, to finding about yourself, and then how to introduce yourself, so that how it could be important to every person. So tomorrow's video on to this topic, and this is for today's video. We are going to try to disclose it. Bye bye.